Machine learning on BigQuery. So when we want to perform predictive analytics on the data, then the best part is we don't have to move data out of BigQuery. So you already have so much data. If you start moving data from your BigQuery system to another system, then it will be a long process and it will be a pain. So it will not be easy to synchronize the data also, because sometimes you loaded data completely and later on you are having some incremental loads also. So there will be challenges to ensure that the data is in sync in the other system. So best part using BigQuery is you don't have to move data from BigQuery to any other system. You can apply machine learning on the data which is already available in BigQuery. So this is very interesting. Apart from that, you can experiment with BigQuery. You can actually fail fast. You can try out multiple things and you can play with different hyperparameters. So in case you are coming from machine learning background, then you might be familiar with hyperparameters. But in case you are not, then it's okay. It's absolutely fine, because the objective of this discussion is not like what are hyperparameters. Apart from that, you can implement different kind of regression, like linear regression is supported, clustering is supported, recommendations are also supported. Apart from that, you can import TensorFlow model into BigQuery. So these are some of the things which are there, and like BigQuery is evolving very fast. New algorithms are being added into BigQuery ML, and BigQuery ML is not a very old functionality. It was added like a couple of years back hardly, and since then few algorithms have been added, but new algorithms are being added. So you can expect like more things coming up in BigQuery with regards to machine learning. So how do we create a model? So for creating a model, there is like DDL, data definition language. So using create model, you are creating a model and you are specifying the model type, you are specifying the label. So in case you don't have machine learning background, no problem. But in case you have some machine learning background, then you must ask questions and you can clarify if something is not clear. So this one is basically creating a model, and second one is like we are predicting. We are firing a select query and we are using this particular model to actually predict on the new data set, right? So this is how we basically write codes. It's all SQL, very natural to those people who are coming from SQL background. So just write code to build model, SQL code, and you can predict using the model that you just created. So hope you are clear with machine learning on BigQuery. How does it look like, and how do we create model? How do we make predictions on the built model? In case something is not clear, please ask.